Grok 3 has just released an image generator that allows you to edit the image while in the chat. Check it out. As you see in the clip, they had this cologne bottle, and with the cologne bottle, they were able to ask the chat to add a label to it, and it was able to add the label to that cologne bottle, which is crazy. This is something I know you could do with Llama using their image generator by reading the photo, and it'll get a new photo while you are typing to it. But this is actually pretty good because now it's basically letting you use the image generated the first time as the input image, and then it now allows you to regenerate the new image as the input image with the added instructions, which is great. There's another one here where somebody generated a glass of wine, but Grok is becoming a strong competitor, I think, in the AI space because, well, we already seen what it can do with AI when it comes to coding. We was able to see a lot of people bring out different type of coding experiments, making classic games like Snake, like Starship, like Pac-Man. I was even able to do it in a live stream when I did all three of those games, and it was absolutely fun and easy to do. Most of those were one shots, but now we have image generator right inside of Grok that allows you to edit, so it lets you keep on improving on the images that they have. I believe the back end of Grok when it comes to image generators are just Flux, and Flux is an excellent image generator and it's open source, so they're using really one of the best and latest image generators to make these images, and being able to keep making new ones is just a plus. And one of the great things about Grok using Flux, and that Grok is kind of unhinged and uncensored, is, well, now we can have an image generator that makes uncensored images of different celebrities, different pop figures and culture references. We can now also use that to make, well, images and keep on refining all these images. Grok 3 was already good, but I think what the selling point for Grok is that you can use AI however you want it, good, bad, or other. You can just use AI how you may want to use it. And I think that's a big selling point, and that's why things like DeepSeek and how Perplexity released their 1776 model for DeepSeek, which was the open source uncensored version of DeepSeek R1. That's great because now people can, well, use these models however they want. And having Grok a paid model, because even though that DeepSeek model was open source, people may not want to deal with the headache of having to set up a whole full-blown environment to host an open source model. Some people just want to have Grok 3 in the cloud to be able to use it right whenever they want it. And now Grok 3 is like an open source model basically because it's so unhinged. In the next Grok 4, Grok 3 will then be released open source. So when they go to the next model, Grok 3 will be released to the public open source. And they're planning to do that with Grok 2 soon as the Grok 3 gets fully released. And at the pace they're going, I wouldn't be surprised if they release this to the public this year. Tell me down below what you think about Grok 3 and the fact that you now can edit images within the chat. I think that's a cool feature, but tell me what you think down below. With that being said, your boy Dexter out.